It all started from a day when I was overwhelmed by my homework. God, all this math homework. So tired. And yet, I have my first Qur'an lesson too. If only there was an easier way to learn Qur'an. Oh yeah. What was that prayer the Ustaza told us about?
Oh Allah, make the Qur'an the spring of my heart, and the light of my chest, and the remover of my sorrow, and the bearer of my worries.
What was that noise? My Qur'an. Bismillah. Han. Scan your fingerprint.
Assalamu alaikum Noor.
What the? Who are you?
I am HIDAIA, holistic interactive discoverer and artificially intelligent assistant.
HIDAIA. As in, guidance. What are you here for?
I am here to take you to the wonderful world of Qur'an, so you can become a Qur'an explorer.
A Qur'an explorer? Wow. How is it possible? Am I dreaming?
This is not a dream. I am just a figment of your imagination. An avatar built by your subconscious mind to comprehend the Qur'an lessons you are taking from your Ustaza.
Awesome. How do we start then?
Say A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim.
Okay. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim.
Fasten your seatbelts, Noor. We are about to enter the wonderful world of Qur'an. Here you will find creative ways to discover the wonders of Qur'an and become a Qur'an explorer. There are countless interfaces created by your mind, in an attempt to understand better. Here we are. The interface for your first Qur'an lesson.
Yay! Look! I can fly.
You can do whatever you imagine here, Noor. This world is only limited by your imagination. Now what have we in here? Oh yes. The word everything starts with Bismillah. Simply put, Bismillah means in the name of Allah.
Awesome. What do these components mean, HIDAIA?
B is a prefix. It means with, or by. As for ism, its root words are sin mim wow. Almost every word in Arabic has a 3 or 4 lettered root word.
Sin mim wow. What are these letters used for?
Let's go find out. Usually, there are several meanings of a root word. The first meaning of sin mim wow is the top of something. Another meaning is similar in nature, that is sky or rain. Finally, it is also used for the name of something.
Oh God! How are all these meanings related?
Interesting question, Noor. See here, there is something common in these meanings. The sky is at the top of our atmosphere. Also, a name is given to something to elevate its position, to acknowledge its worth in our lives.
Wow, subhanallah.
So tell me now, Noor. What do you think this means?
With the name. Isn't it?
Exactly. Let's proceed to the next one. The next part is the name of Allah. Allah is a proper noun that is used for the Almighty, the one true God.
But, doesn't it have a root word?
A popular misconception is that it is derived from Hamza, Lam and Ha, meaning deity or God. But in fact it is an exclusive name chosen by the Almighty for himself.
I see. So Bismillah means with the name of Allah. Doesn't it sound incomplete?
That is a wonderful observation, Noor. Bismillah is an incomplete phrase. That is completed by taking an action. One should say Bismillah before eating, donning clothes, writing and before pretty much every action. Saying Bismillah puts Allah's blessings in our actions.
So in summary, Bismillah means in all with the name of Allah. It is not a complete sentence, rather it is completed by an action. And we should say Bismillah so that Allah may put blessings in every action we do. Am I right?
Very good, Noor. You have grasped the concepts very quickly. Now today's task is complete. Do you want to head back to your room?
Yes. I'm so excited to share this with my family and friends.
Let's go then.
That was my first day as a Qur'an explorer. If you want to learn about more adventures, click on the subscribe button and the bell icon. See you then. Allah Hafiz.